Our final video for today is going to show you how to save it. And I told you at the very beginning that I'm using my MacBook and you're using a PC, so it may look a little bit different. So really listen to what I say instruction-wise, and you may not be able to depend on what you see on my screen. So you're going to come up here to File and click on that, and you're going to tell it Save or Save As. It doesn't really matter because we've not saved this before. It's going to do the same type thing. So I'm going to do Save As, and you're going to see something that looks like this. Okay. To the left-hand side, you should have several options. The second one down says E. Buckner. Now, yours is not going to say E. Buckner. Yours is going to say 20 L. Medlin or 20 M. Kirby or whatever your username is. Okay, so I want you to click on the second one. Please, please, please make sure you click on the second one. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to see, it should say something like Documents at the top. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. The very bottom one, I believe, on yours is going to say Scratch Projects. Okay, mine says Splashtop Whiteboard. You don't have that. Yours should say Scratch Projects. You're going to double click on that, okay, and then it should be empty. So up here at the top, in this little white bar, it should say Scratch Projects. This part should be empty, okay? At the bottom, where it says File Name, New File Name, see where I'm at? You're going to click in that, and you're going to type the word Square, because that's what we're going to name this program. If you want to come over here and name the project author, you are welcome to do that. About this project, that's where if you were making something, a really big game or something, you would give a description of it. We don't really need to do that for this one. This is just kind of something we're playing with to learn how Scratch works. So the main thing I want you to do is make sure this says Scratch Projects. Make sure this says Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Check your neighbors, make sure theirs is right, Scratch Projects and Square. And then when you've got that right, you're going to click OK. Do not click OK without having somebody say, okay, you're good. Okay? So click OK. And you are done. Now it should say over here, over your stage, it should say Square. And that means you named it correctly and you're good to go. And you're going to have your X's over here to exit out. Mine's over here. So I'm going to close Scratch. And that is your lesson for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to take that project and use it to figure out how to make a hexagon. So we'll get to that tomorrow. See you then.